Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. Welcome back. Sorry it took some time to load this next lesson. This is lesson 45 from Surat al-Baqarah, ayahs number 114 and on. We are here on top. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ومن أظلم ممن. So these are pretty straightforward. ومن سكون أظلم مم. There's a mim here, so joins mim. Now this is nun sakina, nun with a sukun, but it's followed by another mim. So this assimilates, called idgham. This nun turns into a mim sound. So you go from mim, man. Instead of man reading the nun, you jump and read the mim. Mim, like mim, ممن منع مسا. There's a extension on the scene, so masajida. What happens when you have Ism al-Jalala, the name of Allah Most High? Masajid Allahi. So you jump from the dal straight into the lam. You drop these two letters here. The alif lam drops, goes straight into the lam here. Masajid Allahi. An, but you have a ya after the nun sakina. Nun with a sukun. An becomes ayyudh. Kyara. So this is a ya dhal kafara yudhkara fiha. Don't forget the ya there has a sukun. So fiha, this is a ha with an alif. Fiha, this drops. So it's going to go straight from the ha into the scene. فِيهَا اسْمُهُ, as such. أَن يُذْكَرَ فِيهَا اسْمُهُ. وَسَعَى فِي خَرَابِهَا. خَرَا, this extends the ra, so khara and ra is a full mouth. Some of the ra's and kha in some of these letters. What you should not do is khara, because it's a alif after the ra. Kharabiha. This is a bit more advanced, and for our purposes we want to just stick to basic reading. As you advance more, inshallah, we pray that you find a good teacher to help you with the subtleties of it. We cannot cover everything, and we're just covering the basics. So, fi kharabiha. Jim is a good place to stop. Fi kharabiha, if you were to stop. Okay? This here is a alif with a sukun followed by another alif or hamza. So this extends it. This is a med. You remember what med is? A letter that you elongate. في خرابها أولئك ما كان. So أولئك ما كان, not مكان, ما كان. lahum, pretty straightforward. You have another an followed by a ya. Ayyad. The dal has a slight shake to it. Qalqala. Ayyad. Yadkhuluha. Another mad. Yadkhuluha. Illa. I extended that a little bit, sorry about that. أن يدخلوها إلا خائفين. Okay, إلا خائفين here. So إلا خائفين, Jim here. Good spot to take another rest and breathe. لهم في الدنيا. لهم, pretty straightforward, right? في الدنيا, alif lam drops, goes into the lam dal here, alif lam dal. What happens with alif lam and dal? Is dal is it from the huruf shamsiya or huruf qamariya? I'll let you decide, give you 2 seconds. It's from the huruf shamsiya, which means, all that means is you don't say fil dunya, right? Alif lam doesn't become fil dunya. It becomes fid dunya. Fid dunya. The alif lam drops, you go straight into the dal. What is that called? Huruf shamsiya. If it was qamariya, such as if this was a qaf, you say fil qamar, for example. Okay? Fid dunya khizyun. Khizyun walahum fil. Here's a good one. Fil akhirati. What is that? This is the qamariya, right? This is not a letter that you join. You have to say the alif lam. So fil akhirati. This hamza here, sitting here, fil akhirati. Just a slight akhira instead of akhirati. Fil akhirati. Fil akhirati. Very slight things that we often see people read wrong. So just simple ones. في الآخرة عذاب. Don't forget the alif here. So it becomes عذاب عظيم. Not عظيم. Zim. This is not a za. There's only one za letter in Arabic language. عذاب عظيم. Next ayah. وَلِلَّهِ You're going to go from here to the alif lam. Hil. This actually drops. You're going to only go from here into the lam with the sukoon. So, وَلِلَّهِ الْمَشْرِقُ. Sorry, I'm just reading like that for clarity. وَلِلَّهِ الْمَشْرِقُ wal. Make sure you can see that. وَالْمَغْرِبُ فَأَيْ. Let's break this down, okay? فَأَيْنَمَا. فَأَيْ Hamza, Fatha, Ya, Sukun, A. فَأَيْنَمَا. Noon, Fatha, Na. Mim, Fatha, Ma. The alif extends the ma slightly. فَأَيْنَمَا تُوَلُّوا. Lam has a shadda. تُوَلُّوا فَثَمَّ. This is a ghunna. You hold it and do the nasal sound because this meme has ghunna. فَثَمَّ وَجْهٌ And this is a jim, but jim is qalqala if you recall. We have to slightly shake it or double it slightly. فَثَمَّ وَجْهُ اللَّهِ وَجْهُ فَثَمَّ وَجْهُ اللَّهِ. Good place to stop again. فَثَمَّ وَجْهُ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ. You'll see this a lot. It means verily Allah is. إِنَّ اللَّهَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ وَاسِعٌ عَلِيمٌ. Wa, this is an extension of this wa. إِنَّ اللَّهَ وَاسِعٌ عَلِيمٌ. صدق الله العظيم. جزاكم الله خير for watching. May Allah bless you and increase you in your knowledge. Wassalamu alaikum.